प्रणाम। दक्षिण्या जी को प्रणाम, ईप देवी को और कृष्ण जी को भी मेरा प्रणाम। निश्चलिज्म की बात कर रहे हैं हम हम लोग निश्चलिज्म यानी निश्चलता, चीटिंग फ्री वर्ल्ड। अपने आप को इतना तैयार करना कि मुझे कोई चीटिंग ना कर ले। अब आपको पता है इसकी सबसे ज्यादा जरूरत कहां पर है? आप वैसे तो इसकी सारी लाइफ लॉन्ग ही जरूरत है, क्योंकि चीट करने वाले तो बहुत हैं शायद, पर मैं चीट ना हो जाऊं, ये प्रोटेक्शन तो मैं अपने आप ले सकता हूं चाहूं तो। और इसके लिए सिस्टम्स अगर अवेलेबल है तो उनका यूज करके ये प्राप्त करना भी संभव है, बहुत आसान है। वो कहे षोडशपंथी बन जाओ तो आप तकरीबन वो पहुंच गए कि आपको कोई चीट कर रहा है, या आपको ज्ञान पहले से हो जाएगा कि ये इंसान मुझे चीट करेगा। इंसान से प्राणी बनना, जब तक आप प्राणी नहीं बनोगे, जब तक आप षोडश नहीं बन सकते, षोडश पथ नहीं चल सकते। षोडश पथ अपनाओगे तो प्राणी बनोगे इंसान से। और फिर उसके बाद परिवार के बाद जब परिवार बन जाता है, सेट हो जाता है, यानी बच्चे एजुकेशन में जाने लगते हैं, तब जाकर के आप षोडशी कहलाते हो। और मेंटेन रखना बहुत जरूरी है। ये नहीं कि आज तो मैंने कर लिया तो मैं ठीक हो गया, कल को फिर, क्योंकि ये शील्ड है तो ये तो मेंटेन करनी पड़ेगी आपको। बिल्डिंग इज वन पार्ट, मेंटेनिंग इज अदर पार्ट। बिल्ड करना भी मुश्किल है और मेंटेन करना भी मुश्किल है, मैं यही कहूंगा। पर अगर आप सीख लेते हैं प्रोसीजर को, षोडशी प्रोसीजर्स कहलाते हैं ये, अगर आप सीख लेते हो इन प्रोसीजर्स को, तो फिर आप ये गारंटीड पा सकते हो। और अपने बच्चों को भी सिखाना ही होगा, क्योंकि अगर आप ऐसे बन गए कि आपको कोई चीट नहीं कर सकता, आपने समझ लिया, पर बच्चों को अगर कोई चीट करे, बच्चों के माध्यम से तो आपको चीट कर ही सकता है। तो बच्चों को भी इस रास्ते पर डालना ही पड़ेगा कि वो अपने आप को इतना तैयार कर लें कि मुझे कोई चीट ना कर सके, हमें कोई चीट ना कर सके, मतलब परिवार के किसी भी सदस्य को कोई भी चीट ना कर सके। ये तो एक समझो आपके सभ्य समाज की एक क्वालिटी हमें अपने अंदर विकसित करनी ही पड़ेगी। इसकी कोई चॉइस है ही नहीं। आज नहीं करेंगे कल करेंगे, कल नहीं करेंगे परसों करेंगे, 10 साल बाद करो, 20 साल बाद करो, 50 साल बाद करो, करनी तो पड़ेगी ही। अगर आप कष्ट मुक्त मृत्यु प्राप्त करना चाहते हैं, कोमा में 6 महीने, 8 महीने, 1 साल, 2 साल, 5 साल के लिए लटकना नहीं चाहते, तो ये समझने की बातें हैं और करने की बातें हैं। सबसे बड़ी बात है कि करने की बातें हैं। समझ के करोगे तो फायदा ज्यादा होगा, करोगे तो नुकसान तो होना बंद हो ही जाएगा। तो इसको अच्छा, परिवार, अब निश्चलता का पसारा चल रहा है। निश्चलता मतलब चीटिंग फ्री, फ्रीडम फ्रॉम चीटिंग, फ्रीडम फ्रॉम चीटिंग, फ्रीडम फ्रॉम jealousy. These two things if you are able to achieve, freedom from cheating, freedom from jealousy, मतलब क्या है इसका? फ्रीडम फ्रॉम चीटिंग का मतलब है कि मुझे कोई चीट ना कर सके, मुझे अपने आप को तैयार कर रहा है, दूसरों से मुझे कोई मतलब नहीं है, पर मुझे पता होना चाहिए कि मुझे चीट करने आ रहा है तो मुझे इसको कैसे डील करना है। सिमिलरली ईर्ष्या, मुझे पता होना चाहिए कि ये इंसान मेरे से ईर्ष्या करता है। उसको पता है कि नहीं पता, मुझे, मेरा कंसर्न नहीं है, पर मुझे पता होना चाहिए कि ये इंसान मेरे से ईर्ष्या करता है, तो इसके साथ कैसे डील करना है। तभी फ्रीडम फ्रॉम जेलिसी मिलेगी, तभी फ्रीडम फ्रॉम चीटिंग मिलेगी, नहीं तो नहीं मिल सकती। हमें अपने को ही करना है जो कुछ करना है, दूसरे को तो कहना ही नहीं है कुछ भी। हमें खुद को तैयार करना है अपने लिए कि मुझे, और लोगों को बताना है कि अगर कोई मान लो पूछता है कि जी ये कैसे करें, तो सिंपल है कि आप ये कर लो, तो तो आपको शायद ये मिल जाएगा, मुझे तो मिल गया, आप देख लो ट्राई करके। एनफोर्स नहीं कर सकते हम लोग, और ना करना है, एनफोर्स तो करना ही नहीं है, सजेस्ट करना है, एडवाइस करना है और सिखाना है। ये चीजें बहुत बहुत जीवन, मनुष्य जीवन सर्वोत्तम जीने के लिए, यानी कि मोस्ट लग्जूरियस लाइफ अगर आपको जीनी है तो ये आपको कम से कम इन 2 पैरामीटर से तो सामने वाला आपको नुकसान ना पहुंचाए, ये इसके लिए तो आपको अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करना ही पड़ेगा, तैयार करना ही पड़ेगा, और ये अपने आप को ही तैयार करना पड़ेगा। तो इसमें मतलब जो इंपॉर्टेंट चीज समझने वाली है कि करना मुझे है, अपने लिए करना है और अपनों के लिए करना है। तो मैं जो है इसको, मेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है। और सीखने में कितनी देर? 3 मिनट। इट टेक्स ओनली 3 मिनट्स टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड देन इट्स प्रैक्टिस। कोई डाउट हो तो यू कैन आस्क बैक, मे बी 1 मिनट मोर। दिमाग का ढक्कन खोलना है तो ये ही करना पड़ेगा, सभ्यता की तरफ चलना है तो ये ही करना पड़ेगा। अपने को तैयार कि मुझे कोई चीट ना कर ले, मेरे से कोई ईर्ष्या कर रहा है तो मुझे पता रहना चाहिए, और मेरे पास कोई आ रहा है तो मेरे को वो चीट करेगा, ये बात मुझे पहले से पता होनी चाहिए। तो उसके लिए मुझे डेटा एनालिसिस करने की जरूरत नहीं है, कुछ नहीं करने की जरूरत, सामने वाले के बारे में कुछ जानने की जरूरत ही नहीं है। अपने बारे में अपने आप को इतना तैयार कर लो कि सामने वाला कोई भी आ जाए, कैसा भी हो, आपको पता लग जाएगा कि हाँ भाई ये मेरे को चीट करने आ रहा है, या ये मेरे से ईर्ष्या रखता है। चीट करे ना करे, ईर्ष्या रखना तो और भी ज्यादा खतरनाक है एक्चुअली। चीट करने में तो आपको एक बार चीट करके ले जाएगा, लेकिन आप अगली बार सावधान हो जाओगे। लेकिन ईर्ष्या करने में तो आपको पता नहीं लगेगा कि वो ईर्ष्या कर रहा है, और ईर्ष्या में आपका नुकसान अनलिमिटेड। तो ये 2 प्रोटेक्शन भी अगर आप ले लेते हैं जीवन में, और आप अपने बच्चों को सिखा देते हैं, अपने परिवार को सिखा देते हैं, और वो भी लेना शुरू कर देते हैं, तो ये समझो कि घर में स्वर्ग बन गया। आप स्वर्गवासी नहीं, स्वर्ग में जाने, लोग कहते हैं कि सर इसका मतलब हम स्वर्गवासी हो गए। ओ भाई, स्वर्ग तो ऊपर कहीं पे है या नीचे कहीं पे है, हमें पता ही नहीं। तो हमें पता करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, नरक कहाँ है, स्वर्ग कहाँ है, हमें नहीं पता करने की जरूरत। हम अपने आप को जितना बचा लेंगे चीटिंग होने से, और हमारे को ईर्ष्या से, दूसरे की ईर्ष्या से अपने को बचाना। मैं अपने अंदर ईर्ष्या ना आने दूं, ये हमें, इसमें मेरा कोई वो नहीं है, आती आए नहीं आती नहीं आए, पर मुझे पता लग जाना चाहिए कि दूसरा मेरे से ईर्ष्या करता है, ये मुझे जरूर पता लग जाना चाहिए। तो ये चीजें समझ करके, इसको सीख करके उपयोग करें। इसके सब चीज दी हुई है, फाइकोलॉजी एजुकेशन ने हर वो चीज प्राप्त करवा दी है, प्रोफेशन के हिसाब से, रहने के हिसाब से, परिवार के हिसाब से, विवाह के हिसाब से, जन्म के हिसाब से, मृत्यु के हिसाब से। कष्ट मुक्त मृत्यु, मृत्यु के समय कोई कष्ट नहीं होना चाहिए। पैदा हो रहे हो तो किसी को कष्ट देना नहीं, और खुद को कष्ट होना नहीं चाहिए। पेट में आए हो तो आपको कष्ट नहीं देना है, तो ये इंश्योर, वो कष्ट देने वाला तो कष्ट देगा, लेकिन आपको अपने आप को इतना तैयार करना है कि वो कष्ट आपको आए ही नहीं। जैसे कहते हैं ना कि उसने मुझे गाली दी, मैंने ली नहीं। तो यही चीज कष्ट के साथ हो सकती है अगर आप श्वास योग, अकूत योग, शंख योगा, पतंजलि योगा और इस तरह की प्रक्रियाएं अपना ले तो। फाइकोलॉजी सब्जेक्ट ने ये सब कुछ दिया है, सिम्टम्स, आइडेंटिफिकेशन, डायग्नोस्टिक्स, रिकवरी, प्रिकॉशन, प्रिवेंशन एंड प्रोटेक्शन फॉर ईच इंडिविजुअल। इट्स नॉट कम्युनिटी, नो, Each individual can achieve this in self. He just has to learn. Institutions are there, and number of institutions available. Series of Nishchal temples have come up. You can go to Nishchal temple and find out. Lot many things are available. Everything is available. So, we have to just understand and accept it. That's it. Nothing more than that. Absolutely. Now, when we are talking of this, our main concern is marriage should be perfect. If we have, the life starts from marriage, as we have discussed earlier. And when we talk of marriage, you have to understand that first Yugalta Tattva molecule. Everyone has Yugalta molecule. They have to maintain it. It is there, it is awakened, but it is not cultivated. You have to cultivate it in a way that it gives you total satisfaction of marriage. In absolute terms, no relativity. Key is absolute satisfaction. There is nothing called relativity in this. The females are suffering because they started comparing. Males are suffering because they started comparing. But they don't know what to compare. So the comparison, if you have to do, just a one parameter which can be compared and improved. Just one parameter. Efficiency. And the prime component in your body whose efficiency should be maximized is lungs. Efficiency of lungs has to be maximized. No other choice. The most important component in your body is lungs, whose efficiency has to be maintained absolutely. No relativity. Maximize it as much as possible, and it is possible to increase the efficiency of lungs unlimited. Shankh technology has given measurement systems of measuring lungs efficiency. These are the systems. Lot of systems are there for measuring different kind of parameters, and I think there is some black box in this. Yeah, here. Yep. This is the instrument which is used for measuring the lungs efficiency, and many more different types: inhale time efficiency, exhale time efficiency, etc. The top red one is the instrument which measures efficiency of the lungs while exhaling or while inhaling. They were demonstrated at Climate Change Conference, International Conference held in 2009 at Vigyan Bhavan, Delhi, combating challenges of climate change. And the session was Zero Emission Research and Initiatives. So we are talking precisely technologies usable by individual to maintain life at its best. Full utilization of human birth in all respect. Highly desirable. Everybody is looking for it, but they don't know how to look for it. What to look for it? Phaukology. Search phaukology wherever it is available. Interact with the person who knows little bit about phaukology, etc. And then learn the things which are required for you. It is Pharmacology customizes everything for individual. Total education, profession, marriage related issues, child delivery related issues, conceivement issues, death issues, living issues, leaving issues, leaving. People are confused. Art of living you should go for, or art of leaving you should go for. Learning art of living is obvious, but learning art of living is very difficult. It was never talked about. Only 8-10 years back this organization came up. Art of living. You have to learn art of living. Like, it starts from where? It starts from marriage. First, the male leaves his house, his family to get into marriage. You understand what I am talking? So, you have to first leave. Male has to leave his family and home first if he wants to get married. Then he has to learn how to leave that house so that problems are not there in his married life, and due to his marriage, problems are not there to his family or to her family. So it is a very, very important information, very, very important practice when this person has to do, male has to do. To learn art of living when he is living for bringing another person, his wife, into it. Before marriage ceremony takes place, it's ladka and ladki. But the moment marriage ceremony takes place, they become husband and wife. It's not a contract. Marriage can never be a contract. Anything else can be, but marriage cannot be a contract. So, husband and wife, yani pati patni, no spouse, nothing, no attachments, no strings attached, absolute terms, pati patni, yugal. They will be pati patni in themselves, but to the public, to the society, that is known as yugal. So never see them alone, that this is ladka, this is ladki. No. When we talk of them, we have to talk of them about that is one yugal who behaves like this. Any one of them. You will be surprised that there was a family, their kids, they said, there was something they might be talking about their mother, about something to their mother, and they expected some solution to that problem, which they never got. So they got angry with the father. Now imagine, father is nowhere there. They asked some problem they were facing. They asked the solution to mother, and mother could not give that solution, and the problem never reached to father, and kids got angry with the father. What a mess. And when they got into the problem, and then I was told that wife said that they are facing this problem. So then I talked to them. They said, we told 1 year back, you never responded. I said, I never knew, you never told me. They said, we told mother, and we consider that you two are one. So if something has been told to one person, if it is to be shared, it has to be shared. When we are talking with respect to kids especially, it has to be shared with the other person. And they suffered for 6 months for that problem, which had a solution of 5 minutes. At that time, it got enhanced over a period of 1 year, and then when they went into the soup, then we were trying to pull them out. We don't know what the weight of them, those people are, and they are living so far away. We can't go there immediately. This is an example to understand that the current generation has starting understanding that husband and wife is not husband alag, wife alag. That is a couple, yugal, couple. Absolute terms. For society, it is one unit. Then only you can make society cultured. Till the time you do not know what yugal is and how to maintain yugalta and how to understand yugalta and all those things. If till the time you don't understand, you cannot be a part of cultured society. Cultured society doesn't mean that you eat with spoon or you are eating with hand. Cultured society is that the couple is considered as one unit. And each person has to develop its own, cultivate its own molecule, yugalta molecule, couplehood molecule. Then alone you will be known as one unit. And that one unit will be a part of well-cultured, well-defined society. So, we are talking about the things. One thing also we normally talk about yatha pinde tatha brahmande. So, that pind, what is that pind? So, that pind is yugal. It's not individual. You have to understand that. That till that yugal is not formed, you cannot have the statement valid on you. Yatha pinde tatha brahmande is invalid totally. It is valid only for yugal. That's the reason today everybody is confused. Sometimes they say this virus, coronavirus, it is natural. Sometimes they say it is cultivated in lab. Somebody says something. Somebody says something. It is precisely because we have lost track of that particular molecule which is there, and we are not aware of the procedure of cultivation because we don't know what that molecule exists in us. 24 molecules are there. Pharmacology has told us. We have to understand each. How to cultivate it, how to maintain it. It's not only cultivation, it's maintenance also. I would like to point out, maintenance word is heard by everybody. But have you understand what is maintenance? Maintenance is precisely if you understand tea plantation. Tea plantation. Not coffee. I am talking about tea plantation. Or mehndi. Marriage ceremonies में it is used and in many things it is used. मेहंदी बाल काले करने के लिए भी आजकल यूज होती है शायद. तो मेहंदी, what I mean, I am talking about maintenance and I am talking about tea and mehendi. Why? You know what is the biggest advantage with tea plantation? You don't need to regrow it again and again. You don't need to grow it again and again. Everything has some beneficial products, some beneficial things and some non-beneficial things. Maybe harmful also, but not to all. To some, something is useful, for some, something else is useful. But when we talk of totality, then it is useful for everybody. Tea or mehendi, or maybe more products are there, but these two definitely I know that you have to pick the leaves. And use them as tea. Mehendi, you pick the leaves, do whatever grinding, etc., and use it on the use it for whatever purpose you want to. So maintenance is that you pick up the leaf, another leaf will come. You pick the leaves, another leaves will come. Fresh leaves will come. So there is no just picking, using, picking, using, picking, using. That's it. That's it. Picking, using, picking, using. So that is almost zero maintenance activity. And now if I want to understand more higher level of maintenance, automobile, regular maintenance it requires. If you don't use it for a week, if you use it, wear and tear. If you don't use it, rust. So it requires regular maintenance, very expensive. Similarly, our body requires cultivation and maintenance. But if you have cultivated, like tea, this system, our system is like tea plant or mehendi plant. You don't have to pick anything, you just have to cultivate. And slow down the procedure of cultivation. Cultivate it relaxedly, slowly, easily. Cultivation is not growing. Growing is automatic. Cultivation is Shwas Yoga. It says inhale slow, 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 slow. As slow as possible. But don't, you have to go cultivate it, mind it, cultivation. Shwas Yoga, most important is cultivation. That you have to cultivate it. That slowness, instantly you don't get. You don't have to try. You will get stressed unnecessary. Slow, slow, slow. Because the capacity of the lungs is fixed. So fill the lungs, but slowly. Then it will remove your rejection so fast. It will reduce your wastage, emission of wastage very efficiently. And it will give you the desired hunger in time, well maintained. Your biological clock syncs. You know, there is something called biological clock. What is biological clock? Normally, heart beating is considered biological clock. heartbeat is dependent on breathing. So if you slow down your breathing, practice it, then your heartbeat will normalize. It will consume lesser fuel. Clock means cell. It will consume lesser fuel. The more slow you go, better fuel consumption efficiency improves. Where a heart clock is totally dependent on your lungs efficiency. That is why it is said, if you do Shwas Yoga, heart problem cannot come to you if you are able to achieve a level of 230-240 Shankh mark. Shankh technology से measurement करो. If it is going beyond 240, 230, 240, if you are able to maintain, you can never have heart attack. Efficiency of your heart will improve a lot. If you get rid of this heart attack, improve a little bit more, maybe another 10%. Brain attack, mostly ruled out, around 260, 275 we say. But you have to maintain it. Not that measurement is coming, that you have to practice it. 15 to 20 minutes daily, you have to practice it. Measurement you do or you don't, doesn't matter, because you will come to know in yourself, within your system itself will tell that measurement is fine. Measurement, in the initial period we say that you measure because that gives you confidence. Advantage of measurement is that if your value is falling, you will come to know that I am going to get into some disease. So prevent. We are talking of Nishalta ka pasara, and we are talking of making self not getting cheated, making self not getting into the soup because of somebody else's jealousy. Mind it what I am saying. That prepare yourself that other person cannot cheat you, or you know that he is going to come to cheat me and I am ready to get cheated. That is a different story altogether. And I should not get into soup because some other person is jealous of me, and because of him I get into soup. No way. I would like to get into that soup. So all these things we have to understand and learn the procedures to cultivate molecules. All molecules are cultivated in a different manner because they are all different. They have different characteristics. Efficiency can be maintained by everybody doing Shwas Yoga, but cultivation of molecules you have to learn. For that, Akut Yoga, I know one thing. Akut Yoga is available to know this, and HB Yoga is for efficiency, then Shwas Yoga is for maintaining efficiency, and maybe more. You have to look for these in all internet. All informations are available, must be available on internet. Google is working hard to provide you with the sufficient information, provided you know what you are looking for. It shouldn't happen that you want to buy shirt and you are searching the manufacturers who are manufacturing only pants. So you have to be specific that I am looking for shirt of this type, this color, etc., etc. Whatever better you specify, better the product you will get. You know why physical shopping is more important than online shopping? You can try it. Online shopping you might have to do it, exercise 10 times. That adds to the cost unnecessary. And the colors shown in and actual colors, there will definitely be some difference. So you might get disheartened. It is close, but it is not that. I know about my son's marriage. He said, I wanted blue coat. And he saw, I think, months together to get that blue which he wants. Blue, and number of them are available, but the blue which he wants. So finally he had to buy the kapda and get that stitched. It was expensive. He ordered online, again the color matching was a problem. So he got, I think, 4 or 5 coats in chakkar of blue, and right blue, finally he had to got it stitched. Hence, we have to do everything on ourselves. True democracy is that you can have true democracy in the world, in individual country, if you have freedom from cheating by others, you have freedom from jealousy by others to you. I am not talking about jealousy in you or cheating capability in you. No, I am not talking about that. I am talking about that protect yourself from the other person who is going to cheat you. And protect yourself against the conspiracies created by the person who has jealousy with you. Mind it. You have to understand that I am not getting rid of my jealousy. If it gets rid of automatically, I don't care. I mean, it doesn't matter. I am not interested. I am not worried about it. Because I know that where I have to use my jealousy, where I have not to use. But definitely I would like to know that if somebody is jealous, has a jealous with me, he should not be able to give harm to me, directly or indirectly. Cheating gives you direct harm, whereas jealousy gives you indirect harm also. Direct also, indirect also. Undefined. So jealousy factor has to be taken care of, that you should not get harm because other person has a jealousy with you. You can prepare yourself, and this is more required for females. Mostly they say that, I have heard, in the society we have heard that mostly females are cribbing about it, that she has jealous of me, she has jealous of me, he has jealous of me. In the job scenario, professions, jealousy has become the factor. The person is doing very well, I am jealous. So the person who is doing very good has to make sure that he should not get disturbed because of other person's jealousy. You see any movie you see, especially Hindi movies or Indian movies, they are clearly reflecting jealousy is a factor which you have to avoid. But here I am saying that jealousy by the other person to you, you have to protect yourself. That is much more important. I don't want to get harm because of other person. And mostly it is said that accident takes place not because of your mistake. They takes place because of other person's mistake. How to avoid that? So Faucology has given all these technologies. You cannot avoid them probably, or maybe you can avoid, but you can definitely reduce the damage. Damage control. Perfect procedures given in Faucology. You can minimize the damage control. So for the day I am winding up ke we have to understand almost everything about cultivating my molecules and maintaining them well at almost zero cost, like tea plants are maintained, like mehndi plants are maintained. Maintenance cost should be as low as possible, near to zero. And care for lungs is most important you have to do. If you care for lungs, best make them most efficient, maintain them most efficient to ensure that you do not have any pressure on your heart, which is providing all energy to your body to perform. You can get these videos on Ashwini Kuchhal at youtube.com channel or Ambidid Agarwal at youtube.com channel or 4D Infuser Institute, the branches or the available where you can go and learn about pharmacology technologies, various technologies, what are about your molecule structure. About molecule structure is almost same for all males and same for all females, but functionality of each module, efficiency, I would say again, efficiency is easier to understand, that each module should be cultivated well to maintain yourself, building all protection shields. Immunity is a protection shield for you, and lungs is directly giving you that immunity. Lungs alone can give you best immunity, quality immunity. So for the day we are ending this session. 99999999099149. You can WhatsApp your queries or you can WhatsApp your suggestions to modify it, improve it. How do we convey this message to others and help us build a well-cultured society where I am protected against cheating by others, jealousy by others, and my family is protected, then my neighborhood is protected. So talk about it, discuss about it, implement it. Implementation you have to do, there is no other choice. If you want to lead your life luxuriously means disease free in all respect. So goodbye and all the best wishes to you to enjoy Ram Rajya, which was established on 5th of August. 11th of August is a very important day when we are going to celebrate, all Shwas Yogis are going to celebrate this 11th as a day of, I don't know, I forgot. I mean, because there are so many days. 10th is a day, 9th is also a celebration day. 5 जब से राम राज्य आया, जब से सेलिब्रेशंस की लाइन लग गई है, तो आपको लिस्ट में देखना पड़ेगा. वो लिस्ट अवेलेबल होगी. आप 99999999099149 पर मैसेज करके पता इंफॉर्मेशन प्राप्त कर सकते हैं, तो आपको मिल जाएगी इसके लिए. और आज के लिए इतना ही बस. अब बाकी अगले उसमें